I'm on the balcony right now of our Airbnb. You can see the mountain behind us. Gorgeous blue waters, really tall mountains. There's a cruise ship parked there, unfortunately, blocking the view, but otherwise it's really nice. Now we'll step into our apartment and take a look. Here's our dining area. I love that there's windows everywhere looking out into the sea. Look at this desk area. Kitchen, living area. We actually have a 2-bed, 2-bath. This is kind of a nice treat. We can each have a bathroom. This is the guest bedroom that we would use if we had some guests. Also a nice balcony with a view. And then really nice and neat master bedroom, closet, and the 3rd balcony. We are so spoiled with these views and balconies. Again, looking out into the bay and into the mountain.